Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And this is something that I should have started from the first, but better late than never. So I'm gonna teach you how you can, push all your codes to GitHub. It's like a version control, and it's what you should really do whenever you start a new project. And I know it's too late to do it, but we are going to do it anyway. And the main purpose of using GitHub is going to be a version control system. Let's say we have a certain code that's working and we push it to GitHub, and then if we have any errors in the production, we can just roll back to our previous codes, and then we can work around all the commits that we made to the GitHub. And it's really a good way to include your project in GitHub, and you'll understand why it's really important. So first, let's go to your repository. Just sign up for GitHub and then log in, and then go to repositories, go to new, and I'm gonna add it as a YouTube tutorial. This is YouTube tutorial for Django, and here I teach how to create a movie review website. Okay, so it's gonna be public, and let's just classify the Git ignore to Python, add a license of MIT, create a repository, and okay, there you go. And you should probably download bash. You can simply type bash, and then you can go over here and then over to the original bash website, or you can just say download git. You need to download the git. Over here, just go and download the proper appropriate file that is linked with your operating system, and then once you're done, just copy this URL over here, and then we are going to go to the main directory. Okay, over here. Well, so initialize the git over here. To initialize the git, we'll say git init, so it says our project will be added to the GitHub, and then we need to add the repository that we're adding it to. It's going to be git remote add origin, and we are going to paste it, and there you go. And we'll git add git commit. I'm not gonna go ahead and explain everything that I do over here because I might make another tutorial series for the whole Git and GitHub interfaces, and we'll just say initial working commit, we'll git push origin master. It should reject it because there are some files that have not been fetched from it. We'll just push it anyways. We'll do force. Okay, it should be a double force, and then it should upload all of our codes to the GitHub. And let's check, let's reload it, and there you go. This is all of our code. And then by this way, we have like a backup of our code until now, like a working backup until now. So whenever we, make changes to it and you're like, oh my God, what I did to it, you can just always say git reset hard. And then there you go. Your code is back again. So just, look at the documentations for Git and then try to understand how it works. It's fairly simple. Like, it's really basic GitHub that we're going to be using. And then we are going to push every time we create like major changes to the website. And until now, we have added functionality to edit and delete. And if you have any problems regarding it, just let me know in the comment section below. I'll try to answer all your queries, and until then, keep watching.